Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be packing to go to New York. So we're going to New York for my best friend's 21st birthday. So I decided, being me and whatever, I decided to wait till the last minute to start packing. I think I did this like a day before I went to New York or 2 days before. 2 days before, I decided, you know what, let me just start packing. So I got everything from ikrush. That's the name of the website. They are amazing. The clothes are so cheap and it's good quality, and everything come in 2 days. So you order it today and it comes the next day. So right now we're in my little shoes closet. I'm trying to pick out what I'm gonna bring to New York. Like when I order everything, I don't decide, you know what, let me try on everything. No, I just order what I want to order, throw everything down, and then I was like, you know what, let me start packing. I did not try on no outfits. I wasn't doing none of that. So if it couldn't fit me, then I would have found out in New York, then I would have been screwed, because basically there's nothing that I would have been able to do. But thankfully everything worked out. So this is my little shoes closet. This is not all of my shoes, but this is just the more prettier ones that I like to put on display, so to say. So this is my other closet. This is my clothes closet, where I put mainly all of my clothes that I wear. Stuff like that. I need to stop saying stuff like that. That's so annoying. But yeah. This is the first time that this closet I've ever been organized, because I knew that I was going to be famous. So I was like, might as well just clean up this little place a little bit. But I'm only taking like a few stuff. I say a few stuff because I order a ton of stuff from ikrush. This is the first time I ever ordered from their website, and everything came. Thankfully, I didn't get scammed or anything like that. But I'm only going to be taking like a few jeans, 2 coats. Obviously, I have to bring my leather skirt because you're going to be looking fire in New York. I might be cold, but I'll be looking cute. So this is my little suitcase. When I went to Jamaica, I had 2 of my suitcases with me, and then I left the big one at Jamaica, and then I just bring back up the little one with all my clothes. So I said to myself, you know what? This little suitcase can fit all of my stuff. I don't need to order a new suitcase because this can fit everything. Plus, I had this little bag, traveling bag that they give you. I was like, you know what? I can just fit everything in this little suitcase. I don't know what was going through my mind. I was just being lazy, didn't want to order nothing. That's basically what it was. I was just being lazy. I should have been thinking, I should have been packing days before, but I waited till the last minute. So basically nothing could fit in that suitcase, and I started panicking. But now you guys can see all that I ordered from ikrush, and that little tiny thing that I call a suitcase. So yeah. This orange set right here, I absolutely love it. I got it from Missy Empire. It is so cute. I was so excited when I got it. It took a while to get to me, but we're not even going to talk about that. I just want you guys to see. Oh, that dress, I think I paid probably $9 for it. That's the only reason why I got it. It looked like that guy from the serial killer show. I don't think it's with the chainsaw one. I don't even know what's his name, but the dress was cheap. That's why I got it. Anywho, I just want you guys to see the amount of heels that I have packed up. Not packed up, have at the side. And then that little sneakers, like if I know how to walk in heels. Just look at that. Tell me if that makes any sense. I'm going to New York, where I'm going to have to be walking a lot in the middle of winter where it's freezing cold. And all I decided to myself was, you know what? I'm only going to need one pair of sneakers and the rest is just going to be heels. Ugh. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, those pants are so cute and they're so comfortable. I'm glad I got it. I got it in an extra small and it fits so good. I love it. So I'm just packing. Trying to act like if everything's about to fit in that little tiny suitcase. That's a cute little dress. I didn't wear it when I was in New York, but I only paid $5 for that. Isn't that so cute? I don't know where I was going to take that with me to, but I pack it up anyhow. Anywhoosie. Oh, I've been wearing that sweater since I got it. It is so cute. So soft and cuddly. So that's all the stuff I still, not all of the stuff, but that's mainly all the stuff that I still need to pack in that little tiny suitcase. I have some stuff on the bed. Oh, that's, I didn't bring that. I should have brought it with me. Ooh, look at that cute little set that I made. I made a handbag and I also made the coats. And I wore both of them while I was in New York. So cute. That's what I can't fit in a suitcase. Look at all that mess. All that stuff. Oh, this is my other closet. I have 3 little closets. This little closet is where I leave all of my DIYs, like stuff that I've made. I just put them in this closet. They can't really fit in my main closet, but I just put them in that little closet. That yellow dress, that is my favorite DIY that I've made so far. It is gorgeous. And also this sweater. I was thinking about bringing it, but it is way too heavy and it would not fit in that little suitcase. So, yep. Look how cute that is. I need to redo it. Maybe make a dress or something. But that little bag was what I was thinking. I could just put everything in and then it will be good. Then I was thinking to myself, you know what? I can just buy those vacuum bags, just vacuum everything in it, then everything would fit. But it did not turn out like that. Clearly, I don't have any sense. So I was thinking about bringing this dress, but it's way too big. And I was thinking to myself, why not just take it in? But in the end, I just did not take it. It was just too much work. And I was already exhausted. So right now I'm trying to pick out some makeup palettes that I wanted to bring with me. I don't wear makeup, but I have all of them for some reason. I'm still trying to get into makeup, but I don't think it's truly for me because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to pick out what am I going to bring, what can fit in that little suitcase of mine. Yep. So in the end, the suitcase couldn't hold anything, so I had to buy one in Baltimore.